Okay.
Keep your eyes out on the right hand side.
Well, that's when we're on the lift, though, isn't it?
The what?
When we're on the lift.
Yeah, they're not there. I think if we're a bit further down.
Pop.
Yeah, to the stop.
Looking for ski poles. So that's where my kid jumped in this morning. So he decided to go up there. He jumped off and then landed in that.
Oh my lord.
I literally had to pick him up and throw him like 3 or 4 times.
Where are we going?
The ridge, I guess. Smells like weed. Why did you leave him there?
Story. It's not that long actually.
You on? Hello.
We saw that.
That's okay,
With
you're
your
good.
ball.
I guess.
So bright.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure there's a little jump on the left somewhere. It's here somewhere. If I die, I die. It's very choppy. Whoa. Don't really know where I'm going.
I can't
Huh?
see a thing.
That's okay. Oh, it's that. We're under the wrong lift. I've gone the wrong way here. Hang on 1 second. Oh, fucking boot. There we go. Ish. You don't need to see it, you just need to feel it. I think this is exhibition, I'm not sure. I think so. I can't see. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna go this way. You still alive?
Yeah, I might finish it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can't see enough of it.
Well, we can do exhibition, then cut into the other bit. Yeah?
You are?
Do exhibition.
yeah,
Once
yeah.
we reach the cat track, then
All
jump
right,
in
yeah.
there, yeah? I don't think this is it.
I don't remember this being here.
I don't know where we are. Maybe this is exhibit. No. Oh, I've lost him. This is exhibition.
This is.
Yeah. This is the end of it, that's the tower. This way or this way?
Huh?
This way?
I'm gonna go down the run.
Okay, well I'll meet you at the cat track then.
From a break somewhere.
I'll meet you at the cat track. If I'm still alive. Yo! Gee! Woo! You good? Whoa. It's so chopped.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I know.
That's paradise over to the.
Yeah.
I know where we are.
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah, of course. I want to try and hit the jump near the pole, but I always miss it. Yeah, there's a jump on the left somewhere. Yeah, somewhere.
Oh, dude, yeah.
No, that's not it. It's further down, I think. Are you okay? You good?
Yeah.
Sweet. It's this one here. I don't have the speed now to hit it. I'm not gonna make it.